these axial position, they are becoming equatorial position. Hello everyone, welcome back to PLUTUS STEM. Today we are going to discuss a very important phenomena existing in a chair form of cyclohexane, and that is being termed as ring flipping. So as we have discussed the various concept of this conformation isomers and these in the detail of that, we have discussed regarding in quite detail regarding the cyclohexane. We have already discussed their confirmation why this chair form is more stable than cis form, why this flipping is happening over here, that we are going to discuss in the today's class. And we have also discussed like cis-trans isomerization, at what position we are calling at this is the cis position, and which position the substituent being termed as a trans position, and many more things regarding this cis-trans has been discussed in the previous video. If you want to get into the detail of this cyclohexane compound, so you can go for the videos that are provided in the links below. So now we will be discussing a very interesting concept that is being seen in this you can say cyclohexane ring, the ring flipping. So generally this type of ring flipping of chair form. So as we know, this is a cyclohexane. Generally we draw it like this, but actual structure of the cyclohexane, they are in the two form, chair form and boat form. So this one is chair form. Here due to this and many more reasons are there, that's why this form is less stable, and this chair form, this is more stable. So this chair form is interconvertible into the another type of orientation that we are going to see how they are oriented into two different positions. If this one is this is a hydrogen like this. So if we just this carbon, and this carbon, and we also circled another carbon like this, okay, with green pen, this carbon, and this carbon. So what is here, at a room temperature, you can say a phenomena is taking place. What will happen? This ring will flip down, ring will flip down, and we will see a phenomena in which like this. So it is not a better representation, okay. Like this. So in this, what we are visualizing over here, this carbon green one, this carbon green one, and these two green carbon, and these are blue carbon. Clear? So now I will number also them: 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you visualize over here, earlier this one carbon was at the upside, now this is coming below the downside. And I have already told you these three blue one are, sorry, these three blue one are, we are calling that up carbon. Three carbon are upside and three carbon are below side. That thing we have already discussed in the previous video. If you are not familiar with this, you can just go through the link and watch the video, this chair form of this cyclohexane. So in that we have discussed that these three are upside, and these green one, three green one are below the side. These three are below the side, which means below, and these are upside. So these carbon, here the interchange of up carbon will be coming, this carbon one coming at downside, and these two carbon, they are in the below side. Now we can visualize they are coming at the upside, 2 and 6. Over here 3 and 4, they are upside. Over here in the after ring flipping, they are coming downside. In the same way, the fourth carbon, that is downside, in the after ring flipping, it is coming at the upside. So what we will see in this phenomena, few things are going to happen. That will be like up carbon is converting into down carbon. In the same way, the down carbon is converting into up carbon. जो हमारा अप कार्बन है, दिस इज कमिंग डाउन साइड, एंड जो हमारा डाउन कार्बन है, दैट इज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द अप साइड. ओके, so this is the way how this up down and down up phenomena of the carbon takes place, and the sidewise some other things are also happening over here. Okay, sorry. Yes, so here if you visualize, this is the axial position hydrogen, this is the axial position hydrogen. If these three axial hydrogen position, what they are coming to, what is happening to them, this axial is becoming equatorial. These axial position, they are becoming equatorial position. These axial becoming equatorial. So we can write down, and in the same way, one more possibility is happening over here. These are like equatorial position. These are like equatorial position. These equatorial position, they are being converted into axial position. You can visualize over here. 4, 6, 2 and 6. Earlier we were having equatorial, and this at 4. This was equatorial. Now it is becoming as axial. So equatorial position is converting into axial, and axial position that is converting into equatorial position. So another conversion is that equatorial converted into axial, and axial bond converted into equatorial bond or equatorial position. So the second thing which is happening over here is this, that equatorial is converting into axial, and axial is converting into equatorial, and the thing which is remaining same, you can visualize over here. In this carbon, you can visualize one more thing, that those carbon which are upside, in the product also you can see they are upside only, and those carbon which were below side, this is okay, these all are upside equatorial, and now they are also upside. One more, yeah, this one. So axial up is converting into equatorial up. Equatorial up is converting into axial up, which means the upper hydrogen are remaining constant. Up and up are remaining same. If one carbon is upside, that is not changing. The upper position and of a hydrogen or bond is not changing in this ring flipping. Only the axial position is converting into equatorial, and equatorial position is converting into axial. So down position, if we visualize over here now again, for down position if we visualize, so these are like down hydrogen at equatorial position. In the after this ring flipping, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after this ring flipping, what happens over here? These 1 2 3 4 5 6, what we are visualizing over here, the one hydrogen is downside, so now it is also downside but at axial position. 3 hydrogen, it is downside, now also it is downside but at axial position, and 5 hydrogen, it is downside but at axial position. So down equatorial, and down equatorial, they are converting into down axial, and down axial. Same phenomena for is Down axial will be converting into down equatorial now. Equatorial, equatorial, and equatorial. So we can confirm from here that equatorial is converting into axial, axial is converting into equatorial, up is remaining up only, and down is remaining down only. So no change in the up down position. No change in the up down position. The up down positions are remaining constant. So we can see that up down position is remaining same. In the ring phenomena, in the ring flipping phenomena, we can say that up carbon is converting to down carbon and down carbon is converting to up carbon. Equatorial converting to axial and axial cohesion converting into equatorial, and up remains up, downs remain down. So that phenomena that is existing as a room temperature, that is being visualized by the phenomena HNMR, proton NMR spectroscopy, is termed as ring flipping of cyclohexane. This phenomena is being termed as ring flipping of cyclohexane. So we will take an example of this phenomena. If this is a CS3 over here, so after ring flipping, what will happen to this? This is upside. So after flipping also it will remain at upside only. So I have told you upside carbon converting into downside carbon, axial position converting into equatorial position, up remains up. So this is the phenomena we have understood with an example also, and we know this axial is less stable than equatorial position. So on the basis of this, various phenomena like hydrolysis of equatorial position and axial position and the rate of reaction are being determined. So that's why this ring flipping phenomena is very important and very simple also. There's a simple thing is up carbon converting into down carbon and down carbon converting into up carbon, equatorial position converting into axial bond and axial bond converting into the equatorial bond, up remains up and downs remain down. So that's all for this ring flipping phenomena. Thank you. Have a nice day.